Whatever FPS you're getting right now, I can get you more without touching your in-game settings, but high FPS still feels off with input delay, so we're fixing both max FPS, zero delay, and the last tweak matters the most. Our first tweak will be a ping tweak. Press Windows and R at the same time, so run pops up. Now just type in regedit just like so. We need to get to right here, TCP AC key frequency and TCP no delay. We need to disable Nagel's algorithm, where Windows bundles your data together and then sends it to your network. We do not want this. We want it to be all instant, so we actually get lower ping no matter what game you play. To get here, by the way, is super simple. HE local machine, bring that folder down. System, bring that folder down. Current control set, bring that folder down. Services, bring that one down. Now scroll down until we see the T section. What we're looking for, by the way, is TC pip. We're going to see it any second now, and here it is, literally right here. TC pip, bring that one down. Parameters, bring that one down. Interfaces, click onto it. Now once we're in interfaces, we're going to see a couple folders. TCP ACK frequency, double click onto it. Value data of 1, press onto OK. TCP no delay, double click onto it. Value data of 1. Now that is getting our ping lower. We also need maximum frames, so make sure you stick around because this isn't even the start of it. Let's get into a max FPS tweak. Now for our next tweak, go onto the search bar and search CMD, go onto run as administrator. What we need to do, go down in the description below. What we need to do, disable memory compression. In the background of your PC, your CPU is bundling up data, giving it to its RAM, and then obviously compressing the memory. We need to get rid of this. We don't want CPU usage to be going there. Press Ctrl C on disable memory compression, literally just like so. This line of code, paste it and press enter. And once you press enter just like so, nothing should happen. If it does come up saying error, unfortunately this won't work for you, but don't worry, the next tweak will. And this is essential for your PC. Go onto the search bar and search system configuration just like so. Make sure you have selective startup, tick the first two boxes. Now as for boot, we need to make sure we're on the correct timeout for your PC. If you have a very good PC, go for a 0 to 1 second timeout, perfect for good PCs. Or if you have a mid-range PC, go for around 2, 3, maybe 4 second timeout. If you have a low-range PC, not a good PC at all, go for a 5 second timeout. Make sure you do not go above 5 seconds, by the way. Now once we've sorted out the timeout, go on to advanced options, make sure you tick the number of processors, and make sure you have all of your processors to be working. Once we have all of them working, we can actually get more frames in game because obviously we have all our processors working. Now press onto OK just like so. We can go into our next tweak. Now for our next tweak, it's a God ping tweak. What we need to do, go onto the search bar yet again, search CMD, go on to run as admin. Now go down the description below. What we're going to see now, reset and optimize network stack. Windows is guessing at what speed your Wi-Fi can go. This code, by the way, makes it go at its maximum potential. Literally as simple as that. So copy the first line of code and paste it just like so. It's going to say OK. Second line of code, paste it again, OK. Now your Wi-Fi on your PC can actually go its correct speed. Now let's go into our next tweak. Now the most important part, we need to do a tweak inside of Gingy Tweaks, the best PC tweaking app with an AI assistant. Let's say I want more FPS. It's literally going to scan your system specs and give you exact specific tweaks for your PC. And as you can see, performance tweaks, gaming and FPS, so on and so on, and also boost for game. This is why we're some of the best PC tweaking developers, because we actually care. Like so, you can boost Fortnite and over 200 plus games right here. So if you guys want, literally check it out down in the description below. Get max FPS, check one out for yourself if you never want to tweak again. And as we're getting so close to 10,000 downloads, if you go onto the checkout, there will be a discount already applied. One of the biggest discounts we've ever done. So literally check it out if you never want to tweak again and actually get max FPS. Now let's go into our next tweak. And as for our next tweak, press Windows and R at the same time, go onto regedit just like so, press onto OK. We need to get to power throttling off. We don't want power throttling on your PC. We need the maximum power so we can actually get maximum frames in game. Literally just like so, simple to get here as well. What we need to do, HE local machine, bring that folder down. System, bring that folder down. Current control set, bring that one down. Control, bring that one down. Now scroll down, by the way, until we see power right here, bring that one down. Power throttling, click onto it. Now what this setting actually is power throttling off. Well, yes, we want this setting enabled, so what we need to do to enable it, value data of 1, base of hexadecimal, press onto OK. Now we've uncapped your power. Your PC can get max frames because it can actually get max power. Let's go into our next tweak. And for our next tweak, go onto the search bar and search control, just like so. Once we're here, by the way, go onto network and internet, network and sharing center. Now go onto connections, go onto your Wi-Fi, so just click onto it, or obviously Ethernet. Go onto properties, go onto Internet Protocol version 4, go onto properties. We need to use the following DNS server that is literally made for gamers from Cloudflare. All of the pro players, when they go to LAN or if they're at home, they play on this DNS server. Make sure you play this. Preferred DNS server 1111. Alternative DNS server 1001. Once you do this, press onto OK. We are not done just yet. We need to disable some usage settings right here. That's just running in the background. We don't need them. Microsoft Network Adapter Multiplex Protocol, untick that one. The 2 link layer topologies at the bottom as well, you can untick them, completely safe. Press onto apply, press onto OK. Your Wi-Fi will restart, but it'll be about 10 seconds and it'll be back. Now for our next tweak, go onto the search bar and search CMD, run as admin just like so. Now down in the description below, we're going to see disable print spooler. Make sure you don't disable this if you ever use a printer, but Windows is constantly searching for a printer in the background of your PC. If you're in Fortnite endgame, if you're in Valorant, CS2, any game, your PC is looking for a printer. We don't want this unnecessary usage. Control C on the first line of code, paste it, it will say successful. Now as for the second line of code, you guys are going to see what happens. Paste it and it will say failed. If so, that's completely fine. The first one should say successful though. Now we can go into our next tweak. Now one of the best tweaks of this video, press Windows and R at the same time so run pops up. Go onto reg edit, literally yet again. We need to make sure your GPU priority and your overall priority is high and the maximum for your PC, so your GPU can actually work properly to get more FPS. What we need to do to get here, super simple stuff. HQ local machine, bring that folder down. Software, bring that folder down. Microsoft, bring that one down. Now Windows NT, literally bring that one down as well. Now we're going to be very close. Windows NT, bring that one down. Current version, bring that one down. Now multimedia, that one down. System profile, then tasks, and then go on to games. GPU priority, double click onto it. The maximum we can do, value data of 8. Priority, by the way, double click onto it. Value data of 6, press onto OK. Now your GPU priority and your priority is high. Yes, this video is very good, but it didn't get to the core root problem of your PC, just like Ginchi tweaks actually would. As you can see, performance tweaks, gaming FPS, network, debloat, and also, of course, you guys know, AI assistant, let's say even more FPS. It will again scan your system specs to see what tweaks you haven't actually done, and also boost the game, let's say Grand Theft Auto. There's literally almost every single game on here. So literally go down description below. Pros are using this to actually get better performance. 27twy, the second best Fortnite player in the UK, literally uses Ginchi tweaks. As you can see, $10,000 earned literally every other day. He uses Ginchi tweaks to get more frames, so make sure you guys check it out as well down description below. Like I said, one of our biggest discounts right now as well.